We tried the new Chipotle honey chipotle chicken. It's pretty good. I give it a 10, but the al pastor is better. But in quesadilla form, this was good. How would you rate it in your bowl? Was it too sauce?
No,
too
it was
saucy?
perfect. It didn't taste like overwhelming or like too much flavor.
Yeah.
It was.
Because sometimes like with the brisket, I had a lot of sauce on it and it overwhelms the... All you taste is like the sauce.
Yeah.
But this was good.
I really like a 9.
It's like their chicken, but better.
We got Wingstop, Louisiana voodoo fries, lemon pepper original hot, Lakers legendary garlic, and mango habanero. Big tub of ranch, of course. Starting off with lemon pepper. That was such a big bite. Original hot. Guess that works too. You know when I'm silent, the food is too good to speak. Lakers legendary garlic. I'm gonna try this one in the honey mustard. Wait. I have been missing out. Mango habanero. This is so good. I've literally been craving Wingstop all day long. So good.
Today I'm gonna be trying Nigerian food. I've been wanting to try fufu and egusi stew for the longest time. Heard you're supposed to eat the food with your hands and swallow it all in one bite. It just went down so smoothly. Fufu has a very doughy-like consistency. I also got it with some chunks of beef. It's got a hint of pumpkin, peppers, onions, and spinach. Next up, we have the jollof rice combo. See what their chicken's hitting for. That just pulls right apart. Some jollof rice. A bit on the drier end, but the tomato flavor is very prevalent. Let's try some of their sauteed spinach. Also got to try some of their plantains. I'd expect it to be a little crispy since it's fried, but it is very mushy and very sweet. I also got this massive meat pie. That is packing with meat, potato, and carrots. Let's wash it down with their house-made hibiscus drink. Yeah, I'm good. It's very ginger heavy. Definitely try it out and let me know what you think.
For lunch, we're having some pizza and some like barbecue pulled pork loaded french fries. I go weak at the knees for some loaded french fries. So let's go in with some pizza first. Are you a folder? Do you fold your pizza? If you don't, you're weird. Let's take a quick bite of these loaded french fries. Be so for real. I'm having intrusive thoughts, and you guys already know I always let them win. Wow. I don't even think I can finish this whole pizza. I don't want to be uncomfortably full, so I'm gonna finish this slice and then I'm done. Last bite. Cheers. Alright, my loves, that was absolutely delicious. Like, I have no words. So good. Literally some of the best pizza in Richmond. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Got the triple dipper from Chili's. How you doing? Where else but Chili's? This is my first time trying the honey chipotle mozzarella sticks. Diet Coke. Only way to go. Let's get a hit of that southwestern egg roll. Always so bomb. I love Chili's because the first time I did a video for them, I ended up on the news. Where is that cheese pull today? Delicious, but bro, I come to Chili's for the cheese pull. Some beautiful crispers. Sometimes I forget just how damn good these things are. And that ranch is bodacious. And that's sexy. I mean, cheese pull or not, these are the best mozzarella sticks in the game. And that's officially my new favorite from Chili's. Those honey chipotle mozz sticks. If that was the real Stone Cold, I know what he'd be saying. If you like the triple dipper from Chili's, give me a hell yeah.
Let's try Twix ice cream bars. The wilderness chose If you don't get that reference, you should watch Yellow Jackets. Mmm. Mm. Got brain freeze. You know I can't just have one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Buckeye Brownie March Pack. Terrifically Twix. Are you kidding me? This looks amazing. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Wow. Oh my goodness. All of the different textures just taste so good together. Cosmic Craze. Oh my goodness. Look at the freaking Pop-Tart gooing. It's giving brownie, but like the best freaking brownie. With the milk is so stupid. Oh my god. Coffee Crumb Delight. This tastes like the top of like apple pie or like those like apples and like the cinnamon. Like this is so freaking good. Like the little streusel on top, be freaking for real. Lemon Haze. Thank you so much, Buckeye Brownie, for sending these over, and use code Hallie10 at checkout if you want 10% off.
Any cheesecakes?
Apparently this is the best shish taouk in Montreal. We are at Malak Al Taouk, which is a popular chain in Lebanon. So this is their classic taouk, which is massive. Okay. There's some fries, coleslaw, pickles, garlic, and ketchup. Bread is kind of hard and dry. It needs more flavor inside. Chicken is on the drier side, but the bread is really hard to chew. Pretty bland overall. I would have liked it more saucy. 6.2 out of 10. Now let's try the Lebanese burger. Again, fries, coleslaw, tomato. Bun should definitely be softer. Try adding some tuna. Again, I mean, it's okay. The bread kind of lets it down a bit. 6.5 out of 10. Now let's try the fries. Nice and crispy, salted. Now let's try with some tuna. It's better. Garlic is smooth and rich. Now let's try the breaded taouk. Not a lot of breading. There's like something wrong about them. Feels like very oily. Let's try with garlic. Chicken is kind of dry as well. The breading is a bit too greasy and the chicken doesn't taste fresh. Let's try with the honey mustard. This is actually decent. I didn't really like these. 3.6 out of 10. Overall, kind of disappointed. It tasted much better in Lebanon. As always, don't forget to like and follow for more.
Boston.
Let's eat some Taco Bell. Wingstop Ranch. Wingstop ranch is perfect with it. These are their steak and queso Crunchwrap sliders. Queso? They're so tiny and cute. Their queso tastes a little similar to Chipotle's. It's also packed with a lot of meat. Now we gotta try this frisbee. This is just the Crunchwrap Supreme with steak.
Converse.